In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add movies and TV shows to my list on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so by adding your TV shows and movies to my list, it is one of the easiest way to easily access your favorite TV shows and movies. To do this, just head over to the TV show that you'd like to add to my list. For instance, I want to add this. So if you just hover over it, you should see now this plus icon. If you go ahead and tap on it or click on it, now you'll see it will change from plus to check mark. This means it has been added to my list. To find it, head over to my list on top here and click on it. And now you should be able to see it here. It has been added to my list. So each and every time you want to find it, go ahead and find it from my list here. Should you want to remove it from my list, then go ahead and hover over it again, and this time around uncheck this mark and it will be removed from my list, as you can see. So that's how you can add movies or TV shows to my list on Netflix. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.